Being a solo esthetician can be rewarding and financially beneficial for your career. With the right qualifications and licenses, you can offer a variety of treatments to your clients without having to rent a spa room. You can start your own business at home or even offer services on the go with a mobile spa service. With this freedom comes the opportunity to design your own career path and explore different job opportunities in the beauty industry. And so in today's video, you guys, we're going to talk just about that. What jobs are available for you as a solo esthetician without renting a spa room. Welcome back to SBE Aesthetics, where I help estheticians become successful solo estheticians who desire growth, revenue, and strategies to reach the next level. The world of becoming a solo esthetician has opened up to provide a wide array of options that do not require the financial commitment of renting a spa room. These options include offering mobile services, working from home, providing services in salons and other venues. All of these can be great solutions for anyone who wants to pursue their passion of becoming an esthetician without breaking the bank, period. You can become a mobile esthetician offering services to clients in their own homes or workplace. Mobile estheticians are the perfect solutions for business estheticians who don't have the time or energy to visit a spa. With a mobile esthetician, they can get the same quality of services from the comfort of their homes or workplaces. This is an excellent opportunity for those looking to break into the spa industry, as well as experienced estheticians looking for flexibility. You could be creative and include birthday packages, a date for two packages, right? Or an employee of the month packages. The list goes on. The variety of packages to offer is endless, and they can be designed to make any occasion extra special and affordable for your clients. Let's move on, you guys. If you have a large vehicle such as a van, you can do makeup in it. However, you got to make sure that you meet the requirements. Doing makeup in a large vehicle such as a van is in the perfect way to take your makeup business on the road. It can provide an ample workspace of mobility while allowing you to reach a wider audience. However, it's important to make sure you meet all the necessary requirements and qualifications before setting up shop in your vehicle. With proper planning and preparation, you can be sure that your mobile makeup business is up to par with professional standards. You could also offer services at pop-up beauty events or through online platforms such as Facebook. Facebook can be an excellent way to promote your beauty or skincare business or services and reach a larger audience. With the rise of the digital world, these platforms provide a great opportunity for the entrepreneurs to showcase their services with potential customers and even accept a payment securely. From offering makeup tutorials to providing professional services on demand, you can make use of the platforms in order to maximize your earning potential as a beauty entrepreneur, or in your case, a solo esthetician. Before we move on, please get your hands on my Solo Esthetician Success Guide, where I help you learn how to get more clients, keep them, and what to post on social media. Now let's continue. You could also look into becoming a freelance esthetician, providing services at salons and spas and as an as-needed basis. Becoming a freelance esthetician is an exciting opportunity to work in the beauty industry. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to choose when and where to work, allowing you to pursue creative projects and explore new opportunities. You can enjoy the flexibility of setting your own hours while having access to salons and spas with modern equipment. With the right skills and experience, you can become a successful freelance esthetician and provide high quality services that clients love. I will list some links down below for solo estheticians who are not renting a spa to help with your business needs. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.